Hello there. This is how to change your profile picture on GitHub. So for some reason, this doesn't always work on Safari if you're using macOS. So I would recommend just using Google Chrome for this. So yeah, just in the search bar, look for github.com. Let me just click on that. Yep, github.com, and it should sign you in automatically. If you're not signed in automatically, just sign into your account. And then if you click at the profile icon at the top right corner, just click on it and then click on your profile. Then click on this circle on the left above your username. You're going to find this edit button. And below the edit button, when you click on it, you're going to find an option that says upload a photo. So you can just go ahead and upload a photo. This is a picture of me with a hoodie. So I'll just click on open. And then you could just like kind of move this around to like choose which part of the photo you want to appear. Then click on set new profile picture. So simple as that. You're all set. Hope that video is helpful.